Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan ko kayo ng update tungkol sa nangyayari ngayon sa Senado, yung hearing na pinatawag ni Senator Amy tungkol sa pag-aresto kay PRRD. Okay, yung Interpol, ang sinasabi palagi ng Philippine government, ni Presidente Marcos Jr., ni Secretary Boyeng Rimulya ay umaksyon lang sila, tumugon lang sila sa request ng Interpol na ang akala natin ay nakatanggap sila ng red notice galing sa Interpol. Ngayon, sa Senate hearing ngayon, nagsalita si Philippine Center for Transnational Crime Executive Director Alcantara. Wala red notice sa Interpol na natanggap. Ano lang, tawag diffusion. Okay, basahin ko lang muna itong post ng News 5, 52 minutes ago. It was not a red notice, but a diffusion notice that was allegedly received from Interpol, according to Philippine Center for Transnational Crime Executive Director Anthony Alcantara. This is related to the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte with the validity of the International Criminal Court arrest warrant. So ito yung statement ni Alcantara. What came to us is a diffusion, a commonly called red diffusion. This is wanted person diffusion. Okay. So ano ang kaibahan ng diffusion sa red notice? Okay, so magbasa tayo sa mga comments, ano? Ito, si Esther Medel, ginugol niya kagad. I googled this. An Interpol diffusion is a less formal alert, similar to a red notice used to request information or action, like the arrest or location of an individual directly from one member country to another, or the entire Interpol network. Here's a more detailed explanation. Purpose. Anong purpose ng diffusion? Diffusion are used for various purposes, including arresting an accused or convicted person, locating and tracking someone, gathering additional information, warning of criminal acts, locating a person to arrest, detain, or otherwise restrict their liberty. How it differs from red notice. So, ito, bantay natin ang anong kaibahan ng red notice sa diffusion. A red notice is a formal request. Yung diffusion, less formal. Mas matindi ang red notice. A red notice is a formal request published by Interpol, while a diffusion is circulated directly by a member country's National Central Bureau through Interpol's channels. Interpol does not review or approve a diffusion before it is disseminated, unlike red notices. Color-coded system. Like notices, diffusion are also color-coded with examples including red, yellow, blue, black, green, purple, and orange. Data processing. Diffusion are subject to the same rules on data processing as red notices and can be challenged and removed in the same way. Public availability. Diffusion are not made publicly available making it more difficult for civilians to find out if a diffusion has been issued against them. Kay example, a diffusion can request the arrest and detention of an individual similar to the red notice. Okay. So si Jonel Olamo, sabi niya, ngayon alam nyo na, nagsisinungaling taga Malacanang at lalo na si Diwata Torre. Rishi Bihing, kung maibalik mo si tatay dito at wala na siyang kaso, ibubuta ka namin, pamilya ko. Referring ito kay Senator Amy Marcos. Robelito Buya, name it whatever they want, but the bottom line is we have no obligation to act on it. Yes, wala tayong obligation. Bakit sila nag-apura na inaksyonan? Tony Falcon, Karma Karmalang, Marco Mulado, ipakita na ang resibo. Paano yan? Wala nang bawian. Kasi wala na, nandun na ang presidente. Elmerson Galicia, ang sabi ng Interpol, si Duterte daw ay hindi wanted sa kanila. Wanted lang daw si Duterte sa ICC. Rosana Rico, sabi niya, yung diffusion causes confusion. Correct. Jeffrey Ababa, diffusion lang dapat, walang red. Zen Vladimir, diffusion is not going to extradition unlike red notice. Augie Libres, nako, nag-umpisa na ang laglagan. Talaga, laglagan na ito. Stephen Vallescas, laglagan na. Cheryl Bale, walang consistency ang mga sinasabi, halatang lies. Edwin Signe, kautal-utal na sila sa kasasagot. Abot Merculio, coming from your mouth, wala nang bawian, di kayo magkakasundo sa sinasabi nyo. So, yun po ang kaganapan ngayon sa Senate hearing. Klaro na, walang red notice na natanggap galing Interpol. Ano lang, diffusion. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Nakakatulong tayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig sa Bukidnon dahil namimigay tayo ng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sirang bahay ng Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Sa Sitio Garden o among bisitahon si Ante sa iyang balay. Ayo, Ante!